Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children, welcome to our online teaching academy Ekalaiva. 10th CBSE subject mathematics, exercise 9.1, question number 13. As observed from the top of a 75-meter lighthouse from the sea level, the angles of depression of two ships are 30 degree and 45 degree. If one ship is exactly behind the other on the same side of the lighthouse, find the distance between the two ships. Right? See, first the lighthouse. This is our lighthouse. How much height they said? 75 meter. From the top of the lighthouse, you are viewing the two ships. Both are on the same side, but one exactly behind the other. Right? This is one ship. This is another ship. 30 degree. 45 degree, right? This is our lighthouse. You are viewing the object, that is ship. One is 30 degree, another one is 45 degree. They said if one ship is exactly behind the other on the same side. So, this is T is one ship, H is another ship, right? Now, you have to angle of depression, no? So, we need horizontal line. Below the horizontal line and the line of sight, the angle is appeared. That is called it as angle of depression. So, what they said, this is 30 degree. See here, MS and AH. MS and AH are parallel. MH act as transversal. So, this is 30 degree means this is 30 degree alternate interior angles. The same MS and AT parallel. MT act as a transversal. This angle is 45 degree. So, this is 45 degree. Now, in triangle MA T, angle A equal to 90 degree. Angle A equal to 90 degree. Now, tan 45 degree equal to, tan means you know opposite by adjacent. That is MA divided by AT. Tan 45 degree how much? 1. So, 1 equal to MA, the measurement is given. That is 75 divided by 80. 80 equal to 75. 80 equal to 75 meter. Now, pass on to the next triangle MAH. In triangle MAH, angle A equal to 90 degree. Angle A equal to 90 degree. Again you are going to take a trigonometry function as tan. Tan 30 degree equal to opposite by adjacent. Which is your opposite side? MA. What is your adjacent? AH. Tan 30 degree value you know 1 by root 3. Which is equal to MA is given as 75. AH, how you are going to write? You see AT plus TH, right? AT plus TH. AT plus TH. Now, 1 by root 3 equal to 75 divided by AT value we found, that is also 75. 75 plus TH Now you cross multiply 75 plus TH equal to 75 root 3. Then TH equal to 75 root 3. You shift this 75 to the opposite side, it will act as negative, minus 75. Then you have to take 75 as common, root 3 minus 1. Root 3 minus 1. Distance between the two shapes. They are asking, find the distance between the two shapes. That means TH only is the distance between the two heights. Therefore, distance between the two shapes equal to 75 root 3 minus 1 meter. Got it, children? Question number 14. A 1.2 meter tall girl spots a balloon moving with the wind in a horizontal line at a height of 88.2 meter from the ground, that is, right, RPGH, from the ground level to the top 88.2 meter from the ground. The angle of elevation of the balloon from the eyes of the girl at any instant is 60 degree. First it makes an angle 60 degree. After some time the angle of elevation reduces to 30 degree. After some time the balloon is move away from that point is G. Reduced to 30 degree. Find the distance travelled by the balloon during the interval. Right? They are asking what is RG, the distance between RG, what it is. Right? First, in triangle, see here from the ground to the top is 88.2 meter. The girl height is 1.2. That you have to subtract. Then what is the distance between R and T? 87 meter. The same way. Here also S to G is 87 because this is our girl's height. Got it, children? Now, in triangle MRT, angle T is equal to 90 degree. Angle T is equal to 90 degree. This is our angle, right? MRT triangle, it makes an angle 60 degree. So, tan 60 degree equal to opposite by adjacent. Which is your opposite? RT. Which is your adjacent? MT. RT value you know, right? 87. Root 3 equal to 87 divided by MT. 87 divided by MT. Then what is MT? MT equal to 87 divided by root 3 meter. Next you will pass on to the triangle MSG. In triangle MSG, angle S equal to 90 degree. Here also the same trigonometry function you are going to take, that is tan, right? Tan 30 degree equal to the same opposite, that is GS divided by MS. GS divided by MS, opposite by adjacent. What is tan 30 degree? 1 by root 3 equal to GS, also you know the value, that is 87, right? Divided by, what is our MS? MS can be written as MT plus TS, right? MT plus T S. MT plus TS. MT no value you know, you got it already, right? So 1 by root 3 equal to 87 divided by 87 by root 3 plus TS plus TS. Now you have to take LCM. 1 by root 3 equal to 87 divided by 87 plus TS root 3 divided by root 3. If the denominator is a fraction, you know this concept, right? The root 3 will move to the numerator. The root 3 will move to the numerator. Then what it becomes? TS root 3 plus 87 equal to 87. This also you should shift to this side. 87 root 3. One more root 3 is also going to the numerator. So root 3 into root 3. Got it, children? Now TS root 3 equal to, here 87 root 3 into root 3, it becomes what? 87 into 3. 87 into 3. When you shift this 87 to opposite side, it will act as negative. So minus 87. Right. Now it looks like your distribution law over subtraction. Right. TS root 3 equal to 87, you should take it as a common. Then what should be the rest? 87 can be written as 87 into 1. It won't be disturbed, right? That's why I said distribution law over subtraction. Here 87 you should take it as common. Then which two things it comes under the bracket? 3 minus 2. 3 minus 1. Sorry, 3 minus 1. Then what can you get? 87 into 2, right? Now TS equal to 87 into 2 divided by root 3. Divided by root 3. Now you are going to do rationalize the denominator. Rationalize the denominator means what? You have to use this irrational number and multiply your numerator and denominator, right? So 87 into 2 into root 3 divided by 3. Multiply both numerator and denominator by root 3. Why? Because you are doing rationalize the denominator. Now 3 2s are 6, then you will get it as 29. 29 into 2, 58 root 3. What? 58 root 3. TS equal to 58 root 3. See here, T, S, G, R. It looks like a rectangle, right? T, S, G, R is a rectangle. Here 87, here also 87. If TS is 58 root 3 means what is the position of RG? That is also 58 root 3, right? T, S, G, R is a rectangle. The figure it says that rectangle opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal. That is TS equal to RG. That is equal to 58 root 3 meter. What they are asking in the question, you see, the distance travelled by the balloon during the interval. What is the distance travelled by the balloon during the interval? 58 root 3 meter. Therefore, distance travelled by the balloon during the interval is 58 root 3 meter. 58 root 3 meter. Diagram already it is given in the textbook. Got it, children? See children, question number 15. A straight highway leads to the foot of a tower, right? This is our tower. A man standing at the top of the tower observes a car at an angle of depression of 30 degree, right? That means the car is here. He is observing the car at the top of the tower. This says 30 degree. Then you have to foot of the tower to the point you should connect. That is C. This is also 30 degree, right? Then which is approaching the foot of the tower with a uniform speed. 6 seconds later, the angle of depression of the car is found to be 60 degree, right? That means after this, he moved towards the foot of the tower, maybe here, right? Now it makes an angle, what he mentioned in the question, 60 degree. AE parallel to BC, AD act as a transversal, so alternate interior angles are equal. Got it? Now after 6 seconds they said, find the time taken by the car to reach the foot of the tower from this point, right? They are expecting what is the distance between B and D. Got it, children? Now let speed of the car be what they mentioned here, after 6 seconds only. Okay, that means x meter per second. X meter per second. That means what is the distance between D and C? Distance between C and D equal to, distance equal to speed into time. Here what they mention as time, 6 seconds. So 6x, right? Distance between these 2 points is 6x. Then what is the distance between D to B? D and B. Here the time also you don't know. So here also the same, distance equal to speed into time. That you are considering as xt. Got it, children? Distance between C and D equal to 6x meter. This is also meter, right? Distance between C and D is 6x meter. Distance between D and B is xt meter. X is the speed of the car. We consider meter per seconds, right? See, 6 seconds. This is meter per second. Second cancel. So I mentioned as meter units, right? Now we'll pass on to the triangle. Triangle ABD. In triangle ABD, angle B equal to 90 degree, tan 60 degree equal to AB divided by BD. AB divided by BD. Next, what is tan 60 degree? That is root 3. Root 3 equal to AB divided by, what is the distance between D and B? We consider here xt. So AB equal to xt root 3, right? Xt root 3. Now we pass on to the next triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, angle B equal to 90 degree, tan 30 degree equal to opposite by adjacent, that is AB divided by BC. Tan 30 degree value you know, that is 1 by root 3. AB divided by, what is BC? BC can be written as BD plus CD. BD plus CD. AB divided by BD we know xt, and C and D, distance between C and D is 6x. So xt plus 6x. AB equal to, you cross multiply, AB equal to xt plus 6x divided by root 3. Here we arrived the result as AB equal to xt root 3. Here you arrived the result as AB equal to xt plus 6x divided by root 3. You should consider this as equation number 1, this as equation number 2. From 1 and 2, what you can observe, children? The left hand sides are equal, so you can equate the right side. Xt root 3 equal to xt plus 6x divided by root 3. Divided by root 3. Then 3 into xt equal to xt equal to, sorry, xt plus 6x. 2xt equal to 6x. Got it, children? 3xt, when you shift to this side, you will get it as minus xt. 3xt minus xt, 2xt equal to 6x. X cancel. Then t is equal to 6 by 2, 3 seconds. T is equal to 6 by 2, 3 seconds. That means what is the, find the time taken by the car to reach the foot of the tower from this point is 3 seconds, right? Time taken by the car to reach the foot of the tower from the point is 3 seconds. Got it, children? Question number 16. The angles of elevation of a top of a tower from the points at a distance of 4 meter and 9 meter from the base of the tower. This is our tower. What it is given, you see, from the points, 2 points, right? One is 4 meter and 9 meter from the base of the tower. You have to connect C to E. This is 4 meter. The total is 9 meter. How I said the total is 9 meter? They mention at a distance of 4 meter and 9 meter from the base of the tower. From the base, B to S is 4, B to E is 9, base of the tower, and in the same straight line. All the points are lying in the same line. Straight line with it are complementary. Complementary means what? 90 degree, right? Complementary. Prove that the height of the tower is 6 meter, right? You have to connect C to S. This is theta. That means what is the position of S? They said straight line with it or complementary. That means when you add these two angles, it will give you 90 degree. That is the meaning. So this one I consider as theta means what is the position of this? 90 minus theta. 90 minus theta, right? Angle of elevation. So this is our horizontal line. This is our line of sight, angle of elevation. Now, in triangle CBS, angle B equal to 90 degree, tan 90 minus theta, that is opposite by adjacent, CB divided by BS, right? What is tan 90 minus theta? We learnt it, right? Already we have learnt it. Complementary function, right? Sin 90 minus theta, cos theta. Cos 90 minus theta, sin theta. Tan 90 minus theta, cot theta. Tan 90 minus theta, cot theta. They are complementary to each other, right? Now it can be replaced by cot theta equal to, what is the measure? CB divided by BS. What is our BS? BS is 4. BS is 4. Now we pass on to the next triangle CBE. In triangle CBE, tan theta, here angle is theta, tan theta equal to opposite by adjacent. What is our opposite? CB. Adjacent measurement, what it is? BE. BE is given as 9. So tan theta equal to CB divided by 9. This is equation number 1. This is equation number 2. Multiply 1 and 2, right? Multiply 1 and 2. The left hand side, tan theta into cot theta. Tan theta into cot theta equal to CB divided by 9 into CB divided by 4. Tan theta into cot theta, 1. You may ask how? Tan theta, cot theta is nothing but reciprocal of tan. So 1 by tan, tan cancel, you will get it as 1, right? Tan theta into cot theta. Since tan theta into cot theta equal to, right? Now CB into CB, CB square, 9 into 4, 36. CB square equal to 36. CB equal to plus or minus 6. Height cannot be negative. Therefore, what is CB? CB equal to 6 meter. They said prove that the height of the tower is 6 meter. That we proved. Our height of the tower, what we consider? CB. Height of the tower equal to 6 meter. Hence proved. Got it, children? Already it is given the height of the tower is 6. That we proved. To receive our online lesson, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you, children.